Good everyone, and in our today's task, we are to write a program that prints the lowercase alphabet in reverse format. So in our previous tutorial, we did we wrote A to Z. So now, and this task is that we are to start from what to Z to back to A. So that's what we are to do now. And this is my preprocessor, which is very essential in the C programming language. So then this is my entry point, and this is my variable declaration, and I've declared the Z, and then this is my while loop, and then this is my decrement format, right? So then since we are going back from Z back to A, right? We are starting out from Z back to A, so that's why I have to use this my decrement. So then to confirm whether this program is running perfectly. So now I have already named the file. This is the name of the file here. 7 prints. Then what alphabet? Let me increase this my screen so that you should succeed very well. So this is the name of the file. And to confirm it, I've run GCC, then the flag wall, Westra, pedantic, Wera, then the name of the file, which is this, and then it should output the result to back to this format. Now to run it, I will just click on enter. So now to confirm what I've written is correct, whether it has already written into this file, print, then TEBAH, then PLA. Then I should write it, mashallah. So can you see that? So now it started from Z, Y, X, W, V, U, so now back to A. So which means our program is running perfectly. And then see you in my next video.